Copilot Chat is an incredibly powerful part of the Copilot suite, mainly for its versatility and ease of access.
Copilot Chat is, seen as an AI assistant. Everyone has access to it. It pulls from web data to be able to generate, create, and utilize as daily tasks, really. I also believe that Copilot Chat, because it is a free service within any Office 365 or Microsoft 365 subscription that you have today, that it is the gateway to utilising more artificial intelligence.
So everyone will have access to Copilot Chat, which essentially means you don't have to have any monetary commitment to get users to use it. 365 Copilot is very, very good for when you need organizational data. So if you need to cross-reference organizational information to either websites or maybe do summaries and compare that to other documents, things where you need more context internally, it's great. Copilot Chat kind of sits before all of that. So if the thing that I'm requiring or the thing that I need is very, very specific to research or just web-based content, I don't need any business context at that point. All I need is that web content. That's where Copilot Chat comes in and is really, really powerful. It's very, very fast and very accurate for that web content, but it won't, that's a big distinction, it won't cross-reference against any internal documentation.
We provide customized workshops for our customers. So we have a menu of like 25 plus items that the customers can choose. If they're looking for mastering prompting, for example, if they're looking to do a workshop specifically around that to make sure that they understand prompting for their staff, then they can tick that box and have that available to them.
There is a fear factor out there. There is that, is it going to take away my job? So I think showing people that actually adds more than it takes away is really key, and giving them permission to try it. But as soon as you get to the point where you want to access business data, you need 365 Copilot. And we do get individuals that are saying, well, they could do that, but I can't. So it's that kind of, they're missing out on things, so that it's driving them to do that.
There's a feature within Copilot Chats now that essentially allows you to bring in a branding kit for your specific organization and start to create posters, to create visuals, one-pagers, to make some of the content that you're creating a bit more exciting. So whether it's research that you're trying to do or whether it's creative tasks, Copilot Chat's really, really powerful and has a lot of skills to help you.
We were one of the key partners with Microsoft in launching Copilot, and since this time we've gained a hell of a lot of knowledge with customers around using Microsoft 365 Copilot. We're able to provide the customer with a complete one-stop shop, if you like.
The biggest thing I would say for businesses to incentivize is to get people to use the product at the start. Try it, make mistakes, learn how to prompt and improve. That's the foundation. That's what everyone should be targeting.